Hey guys, and welcome to my newest video. In today's tutorial, we're gonna talk about how you can clear your cache or basically optimize your websites on your WordPress. So, how do you do that? On the left hand side, we're gonna left click or hover over the plugins menu, and you're gonna click on installed plugins. Left click on that. Right above everything on the top of the site, right next to plugins should be the add new plugin button. Left click on that. Here on the right hand side, you should see the search plugins menu. You're gonna left click on that. You're gonna search for cache. Click enter. And as you can see, the first thing that pops up should be the Lightspeed cache, which is the all-in-one unbeatable acceleration and page speed improvement caching, image CSS JC optimization. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the install now button, left click on that, and we're gonna wait for it to install. After it's installed, you're gonna basically left click on activate, which is the button it's gonna appear after it's installed. So left click on that, and we're gonna wait for it to basically activate. After it's activated, on the left hand side we should get the Lightspeed cache dashboard, which is the new plugin dashboard. So as you can see, we have the Lightspeed cache installed as the plugin on our WordPress website. And on the left hand side we should see the Lightspeed cache, as you can see, and we are going to left click on Lightspeed cache dashboard, and as you can see, it's basically already in sync with our website. Basically, the thing we are doing right now is it's automatically clearing your cache. It's image optimization, page optimization, CDN bandwidth, and low quality image placeholder. There is a lot of stuff that it automatically does, and your page should be much more faster. So you have the image optimization summary, you have a lot of things. You can also on the left hand side click on presets or general, and basically just a second, you can just left click on cache on the Lightspeed cache dashboard, and here as you can see you can basically cache commenters, you can cache logged in users, you can cache, and you can enable cache or disable it. Basically also, after you disable it, for example, you just click on save changes, and that's about it. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope I guys helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.